ceiling still plain and boring? Ever thought about turning it into a work of art? Let me introduce you to the Sky Cherry Blossom Ceiling 3D Wall Mural. It's a massive 137 by 100, divided into 6 easy panels. No glue included, so grab some before starting. High-def printing for vivid colors, waterproof and odorless. Perfect for your living room or bedroom, you choose. Material is fabric, strong, thick, and lasts super long. Install it by applying glue on your wall first. Just slide the panels together, no overlaps needed. Don't wait to elevate your space. Grab your Sky Cherry Blossom mural now.